Hi everyone, welcome back to Pradeep's Maths Academy. You know, arithmetic is a topic which plays a key role in many competitive exams. So, in the part of arithmetic, today I am going to tell you about ratio. So, what is ratio? So, ratio is nothing but the comparison of two quantities of same kind by division is called a ratio. The comparison of two quantities of same kind by division is called a ratio. The ratio of two numbers a and b is a divided by b or a by b. This can be represented like a is to b. This is read as a is to b. A is called first term and b is called second term. This first term is also known as antecedent. Second term also known as consequent. So A is called first term or antecedent, B is called second term or consequent. To learn more about the ratio, we must be remembered some key points. First one, to find the ratio of two numbers, they must be expressed in the same units. To understand this, let us see some examples. Suppose if you want to find the ratio of 30 minutes and 2 hours. So here there are two quantities 30 minutes and 2 hours. The first quantity is in minutes and the second quantity is in hours. Both are not in same units. So convert this second quantity into minutes. So 30 is to 2 hours. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 2 hours is 120 minutes. 2 hours 120 minutes. Now 30 minutes and 120 minutes. Both are in the same units. Then we can find the ratio 30 is to 120. It means 30 by 120. 3 ones are 3 fours are, which is equals to 1 by 4. It means it is 1 is to 4. So the ratio of 30 minutes and 2 hours is 1 is to 4. Second one, a ratio has no units. Ratio has no units. See here, we have found that the ratio of 30 minutes and 2 hours is 1 is to 4. Here this 1 is to 4 has no units. So a ratio has no units. The order of the ratio is very important. Order of the ratio. To understand this, A is to B is not equals to B is to A. So here for any ratio, order is very important. Next one, a ratio simplest form. A ratio is always expressed in its simplest form or in lowest terms or in lowest terms. What does it mean? What is meant by simplest form or in lowest terms? A ratio is said to be in its simplest form if its antecedent A and consequent B have no common factor other than 1, then it is said to be in its simplest form. For example, 16 is to 20. This is not in its simplest form. Then we can write like this: 16 is to 20 is equals to 16 by 20. 4 4s are 4 5s are. Now 4 by 5. Because 16 and 20 have a common factor 4. So divide the 16 and 20 by 4. We get 4 and 5 here. 4 by 5. Now 4 and 5 has no common factor other than 1. So this is the simplest form of 16 is to 20. Now the last but not least, a ratio does not alter if its first term and second term are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. A ratio does not alter if its first term and second term are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. So for example, 2 by 3. 2 is multiplied by 4 and 3 is also multiplied by 4. Then 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So 2 by 3 and 8 by 12 are both are equal. Let us go to the problems. If A is to B is equals to 3 is to 4, B is to C is equals to 5 is to 6, then find A is to B is to C. Before going to know the shortcut, let us see the conventional method. Given that A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4 and B is to C equal to 5 is to 6. Here, if you observe in the two ratios, B is the common term. B is the common term. Here the value of B is 4. Here the value of B is 5. B is 5. So, to find the ratio of A is to B is to C, we have to equate these two values. So, how can we equate these two values? By finding the LCM of 4 and 5, we can equal these two values. So, LCM of 4 and 5 is nothing but 20. We know that the LCM of two consecutive numbers is their product. So 4 and 5 are consecutive numbers. So their LCM is 20. If you want to know more about LCM, go through my previous video. I will give you the link below. Now A is to B is 3 is to 4, and this can be written here. We have to equate these B values. So how can we get this B value equals to 20? So this 4 multiplied by 5. So here 3 is also multiplied by 5. 4 is also multiplied by 5. Now 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Here the value of b is 20. B is to C is equals to 5 is to 6. Here also you have to equal the value of B is 20. So multiply 5 by 4 to get 20. So here 5 is multiplied by 4, then 6 must be also multiplied by 4. Now 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. We have already told you a ratio does not alter if its antecedent and consequent must be multiplied by the same non-zero number. So here 5 and 6 antecedent and consequent are multiplied by the same number 4. So ratio does not alter. Here if you observe, the value of b is equals to 20. Now a is to b is to c is equals to a is 15, b is both are same 20 and c is 24. You know, for competitive exams, this is a very time taking process. So for that, I will tell you a shortcut. By using this shortcut, you can find the answer just in one step. See here, given that a is to b is 3 is to 4, b is to c is equals to 5 is to 6. First, you have to write antecedents 3, 5 in this way, and then consequence 4, 6. Now, if you multiply these two, you will get A. If you multiply these two, you will get B. If you multiply these two, you will get C. See here, A is to B is to C is equals to 3 5s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 4 6s are 24. So this is our final answer. Let us see one more example. If A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, B is to C equal to 4 is to 5, C is to D equal to 6 is to 7, then what is the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D? Think once. How can you solve this? Very simple. By using the same shortcut, we can find the answer very quickly and very easily. To find the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D, we have to apply the same shortcut for this also. So first we will have to write the antecedents of all the given ratios. So here antecedents 2, 4 and 6. So write 2, 4 and 6 first, and then we have to write the consequence 3, 5 and 7. So we have to write like this 3, 5, 7. But in the previous example, we have multiplied two numbers. But here in this problem, we have to multiply three numbers. So to get A, we have to multiply these three. To get B, we have to multiply these three. To get C, we have to multiply these three. And for D, we have to multiply the last three digits. So A is to B is to C is to D is equals to So first we have to multiply these three numbers. 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48. B. We have to multiply these three. 4, 6 and 3. 4 6 are 24, 24 3s are 72. For C, we have to multiply these three. 6, 3 and 5. 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. And for D, we have to multiply the last three digits, last three numbers, 3, 5 and 7. 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105. So we have already discussed previous, a ratio must be in its simplest form. So let us check these four numbers can have any common factor. If you observe, each number will be divided by 3, right? So 3 16s 48, 3 24s 72, 3 30s 90, 3 35s 105. So 16 is to 24 is to 30 is to 35 is our final answer. So my dear students, if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.